So yeah, got up early today. So early that I just had to have my cross-track, my Subi serviced before the new year, and that was successful. I was able to do it. 15,000 Ks in 6 months. It's supposed to be a 1 year service, but did it in 6 months, or like April, May, June, July. Oh, I don't want to count, but anyway, more 6, 7 months, 8 months. I don't know. Yeah, didn't have much sleep last night. Had a bad evening. Anyway, but today we're gonna be like shooting for Alden. Well, I'll be shooting for Alden. I'm here near the venue. I'm just gonna grab something to eat. I didn't want to eat earlier, but now I have to eat. So yeah, let's do that. Let's hope everything's gonna be good because it's pretty warm today. Yeah, it's pretty warm. Yeah. Just saw that one there. I don't know if you can see it. It says week. Funny. So yep, we're here at St. Paul's, and yeah, wedding's gonna be here. That's it. A lot of people come here to take photos, and they have to pay. And yeah, let's do this. Goodbye 2024. See ya. It's been a long